Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get different rewards from Binance. So open up Binance and click on more right over here. So you must be on the pro version to do that, so to turn it on just click on your profile, and if it says light and this is turned on, make sure to turn it off. Anyway, whoops, actually I needed to be there. So you can do it either from more, from here, and you can click on where was it? Oh, there it is. Sorry, task center right here. Or actually you can click it if you're using Binance from here, task center. Anyway, when you click that, we need to vote. You can see different tasks that you'll be given from Binance. So mine are currently expired, but yours might not be. And these are limited tasks that will give you different rewards on Binance. So for example, trade at least 100 on futures to get $10 bonus future, or trade at least 50 to get a $5 bonus. You can view the rules from there, but also you can check out the reward center. Here are all the trial funds that you can get, and with different, and here are the vouchers where you can redeem them, and of course your referral ID, which you can get different rewards with also by just referring Binance to your friends. And there are the rules: receive 100 USDT cashback voucher for each, and that's pretty much it. You can do the tasks that update weekly. You can see them from the task center, from referrals, or just simply from the gifts. That's it. Hope this helped. If it did, like and subscribe, and see you next time.